Oh, it feels so good to be filming again. I'm so excited for this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been gone probably about a week, and that's because I took the week off because I had holiday and I wanted to spend time with my family and friends and to celebrate my birthday, which is what this video is about. So I've gathered all the things I got for my birthday, and I want to say disclaimer before I explain everything. I am not bragging in any way at all. I did one of these last year and you guys absolutely loved it, so I thought I would film it again this year. And I do love watching last year's myself because I like to look back and see what I got from family and friends. So I got up to a lot of things last week. I had froyo, I went out for a picnic, I had Instagrammable brunch, and I even went to see a West End musical. And if you guys want to see all the pictures from that week, I will link the blog post below in the description box so you guys can have a look as well. But I have all the things that I got for my birthday right next to me here. Some of the things I actually got as actual presents, and other things I bought myself with birthday money I got, and I got one thing as an actual birthday gift to myself with my own money, which I am so happy about. If you guys haven't seen on social media yet, then you will be freaking excited when you see them as well. So if you guys want to see what I got for my birthday, which is my 21st, like, how am I an actual adult now? What is this nonsense? That's gonna be my like catchphrase for my whole year of being 21. I'm an adult officially. I now pay taxes. What is this nonsense? Anyway, enough rambling. If you guys want to see what I've received, then carry on watching. So I'm going to start with the presents I got from my parents, and the first one was this ring. I actually went to an independent jeweller's and picked out a ring, and I really wanted something unique and something that was gold, and I literally just had a bit of dust stuck in it and I'm trying to get it out. No. I love the rings in the Topshop Oxford Street vintage hardware concession, and I wanted something that was real and not like a costume jewellery, and I saw this and it was literally a mean ring. It's so colourful and it's gold, and let me do a close-up. It is the prettiest ring I've ever seen in my life. Absolutely love it, and it's not too chunky because I don't like chunky rings, but I mean, this is like the main gift from my parents for my 21st, and I absolutely love it. And it just matches every single nail colour. I put my nails as well with to each gem. It's so funny, but yeah, I absolutely love it. And the other gift was the West End musical. And if you guys don't know, I've never seen a West End musical before, and to mark my first one, well, I kind of saw one years ago. It was Starlight Express, and I don't count that because I can't really remember it. But as an adult, I hate saying that word, I really wanted to see Wicked, and I did, and it was incredible. I absolutely love all the songs, the whole plot line, all the actors and actresses, all absolutely incredible. And Sophie Evans played Glinda and Alice Fan plays Elphaba, and they were both amazing as those characters. They're so talented, and everyone, like, vocals for each song were like, I don't know. When Defying Gravity came on and they did the lights and everything, I actually choked up, and I felt a tear coming. A tear didn't come, but I felt like I would probably cry because it was so amazing. So this is the souvenir program, and it has all like the photos from the musical, and I got the tickets in here as well as like a keepsake. And I just want to collect all the souvenir programs of every West End musical I see. So you've got photos, sneak peek. If you haven't seen it, definitely go and see it. And my next musical that I want to see is Les Mis, and I want to see Heathers as well because Carrie Hope Fletcher's in it, but it's too too expensive right now. But yeah, I'm super grateful, and yeah. The next thing I have is this pretty little bracelet. Oh, the little leaflet fell out, and this was from my aunt. It is like this pretty gold bracelet, and it has a little pug on it, and it's just one that sort of like sits like this. I will show you a close up again. It's just so freaking cute. I love pugs. You guys should know how much I love pugs. I really want a pug in real life, but for now I have to suffice with pug jewellery and homeware. I'm so grateful, and it's one of those bracelets that I'll probably wear on special occasions because I don't tend to wear bracelets all the time. But yeah, this is such a good present from my aunt. And I also got a 21st badge as well to mark the occasion, which I'm going to keep in my memory box because I keep all my keepsakes, like my birthday badges. I think I have an 18th birthday one, I can't remember, but I think I've got a few birthday badges as well, so this is going to like stay with those in my little collection. So that is everything that I actually got as presents from my parents. The rest of the presents was like checks and money. So I still have a bit of money left, but what I have bought for myself I will show you guys. So they're technically still presents because I used birthday money I was gifted, but they were not actually given to me on the day. This is like over the past week. So the first thing I wanted was a new duvet, and I went to Primark and I had my eye on this duvet for absolutely ages. I was about to buy it one day and I thought, wait, my birthday is literally in 2 weeks. I do not need this right now, I can wait. And luckily I did because they still had it in stock and I used birthday money for it. So, and if you guys know, I'm obsessed with plants. Plant here, fake plants everywhere, real plants everywhere, and I just couldn't afford to buy an actual plant because I don't have any room. But I thought next best thing is a plant duvet, and this was £9, and it's like banana leaf, not banana leaf, cheese plant leaf and all that. And it's just like this. I'm not going to open the main duvet, but I'll show you the pillow, and it's absolutely pretty. Look at it, I love it. And on the back you just have a pretty little sort of grey and white pattern, which is really cute as well. But I really love this side. This is like my favourite side, and I can't wait to have it on my bed. My bed is going to look so cute and tropical, and I've got gold cushions as well, which will go so well. So I'm really happy about this. Talking about musicals as well, I actually picked up the Wicked soundtrack from HMV. This is the original Broadway cast recording. It's got loads of songs that I love. It's basically the whole musical, but songs instead of like an audio recording. But it's absolutely amazing. I'm so happy I picked this up, so I can listen to the songs whenever I like. I've imported it onto my phone so I can listen to it to work as well. So this will suffice before I get to see it again in the West End. And yeah, and the other sort of musical is of course The Great Showman. I absolutely love it. I saw it in the cinema in January, and since then I've been obsessed. If you guys didn't know, I bought the soundtrack I think the week after I saw it in the cinema because I loved it so much, and it came out on DVD the other day and I picked it up ASAP and I watched it the day after work, and oh, I just love it so much. Hugh Jackman is incredible, and yeah, it's the best thing I've ever seen in a few years. And I think I might watch Enchanted because it made me remember how much I loved Enchanted and the songs in that. So I'm going to watch that after I film this video. And the other thing I got is sunglasses. So basically these are from Topshop. They've got purple lenses. They look really super cool. They were £14 and you get free sunglass cover. So basically the reason why I got these, because I needed sunglasses, because the sunglasses I featured from Primark in my favourites, they actually broke after I filmed and took pictures of them in my favourites. Like the little things that rest on your nose actually broke off, and I don't know how, and the little screw that attaches them to the sunglasses is missing, and I couldn't find it, so I had to throw them away and get this. But I absolutely love them. They're absolutely me in sunglasses, and yeah, what can I say about sunglasses? And the most recent purchase is these 4 books, which came to a grand total of £18 in Waterstones because I managed to get 10 stamps on my card, so I got £10 off. And 2 of these books were buy one get one half price. So these were all on my reading list. If you guys don't know, I'm an absolute bookworm. I feel like this whole video is, if you guys don't know. Count how many times I say that in this video and I will DM you a pizza. But yeah, these have been on my reading list for ages. I literally have a long list of books I really want to read on my Goodreads app, and I managed to pick 4 of them up, and 2 of them have been on my reads list for about a year, and it is The Idiot by Elif Batuman and Sally Rooney, Conversation with Friends. And both of these I think about millennials. I'm going to read the blurb of all of them, but if you guys want to know more, I will probably do a book haul on my blog, so that will be linked below if you guys want to keep an eye on that. I will let you guys know on my social media, which is at Franalibi on Twitter and Instagram, but got those. And the other one is Big Bones by Laura Dockrell. This is an actual teen young adult fiction. I do still read those because young adult is basically my age, let's be honest. And this was actually in the Lush book club. So if you guys don't know, Lush have a Instagram called Lush Life, and they have a hashtag Lush Book Club. So they hold book club events in their studio in Soho. So it's not just cosmetic, guys, it's more than that. And this was the most recent one that was featured, so I thought I'd pick it up because I love to discover new reads. And the other one is Carrie Hope Fletcher's All That She Can See. I knew she was an author as well as being an actress and singer, but I've never actually read one of her books, so I can't wait to pick this up. And I was intrigued by the blue, like, dyeing of the pages, edges. And this one is a light-hearted read, and I can't wait to read this. So yeah. The last thing I've got is actually spent my money. I spent quite a bit, probably about £165 on this item, but I've been wanting this for 2 months and it's so me, and I've been wanting a pair of these for actually years in high school, so it was about time. And you're only 21 once, that is my excuse. But if you haven't seen on Instagram, I will show you now, is in this massive box, and I'm going to keep these in here forever because I want to keep them safe. But you can probably tell what it is because you've probably seen those unboxings, but it is the Dr. Martens times Lazio boots, and I got them in pink, and I absolutely love them. These are literally my babies. I will show you them. I got them in a size 5 and they fit true to size, and I've worn them like 3 times and they're so pretty. You got like the heart buckles and there's a cut out heart in the back, and they are just beautiful. They're made from water resistant suede leather, and they literally mean a boot, like seriously. And I'm so freaking happy. Like, I had to wait a whole week for these, so I got them on the Friday just gone, and they got the classic platform sole with the yellow stitching and the little label, and yeah, I just love them. I don't know what to say. I have no words for how happy I am that I managed to get these, because they are now sold out, and these were probably one of the last pairs of size 5. So it was a gamble because I don't know what size to get, because a lot of people were saying that they either had to size down or size up, or the actual size for their feet was fine. But I have quite wide feet, so they fit perfectly. I just need to wear thick socks and I'm good to go. But yeah, I love my babies. I still have quite a bit of birthday money left, like I said at the beginning of the video, so I'm thinking of doing a glossy order. I don't know. I'm going to Brighton at the beginning of next month for a weekend away, which I'm so excited about because I want to live in Brighton, and Brighton is my favourite seaside town / city ever, and probably spend loads of money there. So yeah, and I've got itches on both my cheeks. What is this? So if you guys enjoyed my video and you enjoyed being nosy and seeing what I got for my 21st birthday, which is probably my favourite birthday yet, and I'm so grateful for everything, and I'm so grateful for being able to buy these amazing things, especially the Doc Martens. Like, I feel so cool. Like, I wore these in Shoreditch and I felt like a hipster, and being able to get the Greatest Showman and see Wicked. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more of my face, and don't forget to click notification bell below to get updates when it's upload. And yeah, I will see you guys next week for another video.